My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware, which is called lUUUUU. In fact, there are about 9 or 8 U letters in the name of this ransomware. So this ransomware called lUUUUU is attacking many Windows files right now. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'm just showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you of course are able to open your files without complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected. And then the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. It's not possible to open these files anymore. But paying the ransom for file restoration is not a good idea either. This just does not guarantee the file restoration. This is the ransom note that says that users need to pay the ransom to get their files restored. But once again, paying the ransom does not guarantee anything. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. Now, what I recommend you to do right away is researching the system with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner can be found on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the program through this official website. Install the software. After it gets successfully installed, start the program. It will first of all update its anti-malware database. After the anti-malware database of the program is successfully updated, it will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. Then, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats which were found on the computer. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats. The premium version of Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. You will see the report about the threats. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on the system. Please consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data under the protection.